my gosh, bro.
Do you know 6'7" is getting banned in the United States? What the fuck?
Guys, guys, I have a question.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
My friend is 6'5". My friend is 6'5", like really buff.
My
and
brother
he's
is
like,
5'10".
My friend is 6'7".
No, my friend is like very buff and he's 6'5".
My brother's
guys, this
5'10".
tree has arms.
He's in high school.
Oh,
Yo, guys, this
you should
tree
really
has
get with
arms.
this. If y'all are a
Yo,
girl,
you-
y'all should really get with my friend.
This tree has arms, bro.
Is he Josh?
Yo, this tree has arms, bro.
I have him out
Bro,
if he's
this
on
tree
right now.
literally has arms, bro.
Where is he with him?
Demon, I'm back to get attacked.
That guy looked at me funny and I was like,
I don't know what I'm
think we know.
you should take me.
Oh,
Someone should take me.
Thank you.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know. Wait, my friend.
Come here, boy.
It's like
Come here,
shadow
boy.
game.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh no, I can't drop that. Oh, come on, boy.
Get
Come on,
shit
boy.
on. I'm sorry. I think I just
really?
Oh,
Are you really sure?
Juju on that beat. Juju on that
Oh
beat.
my god, I can't make that jump.
Mustard.
I'm trying to make impossible jumps right now.
Mustard on that. Friend, what's your name?
It's got you.
What should I call you, friend?
Gibbity
Friend,
I'll
what
tell
should I call you?
I'm too short.
Yeah, you should. What should I
Bro,
call
we're the
you?
rest of the players put on freezes, bro. I
RT,
swear.
RT.
I'm gonna call you
gonna tickle your balls.
RT.
RT.
Can someone say me?
Oh my god.
Can someone say me? No one has
That guy
seen me this
literally jump
entire
scared me,
game.
bro.
Dreadhead, come here, boy.
What are
I
you
know
doing,
you're out.
chicken?
You should let
Oh
me
my
let
God,
me
let me
shake your dreads.
You should let me.
Let me shake your dreads. Let me shake your dreads. Let me shake your dreads, please.
Oh, no.
Please.
There's a guy right there.
Hey! Did I see something I wasn't supposed to see?
else. What are you doing?
He is on taggable glitch, guys. He gave a tag out.